1, 2, hand goes up. I'm gonna pull her through. Okay? And let's do it on this side. What's up, everybody? My name is Will Orrock.
And my name is Connie Orrock, and we are
We Evolve Dance and Fitness. All right, so we've got 2 new figures for you in this series. The first one is a underarm pass to the left side, and the second one is an underarm pass to the left side with a turn. So let's get right into it. So we're back to our basic step. We go 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Here I'm gonna do the same exact steps like a crossbody lead, but she is gonna turn the opposite way. And we go 1, 2, 3. Now I lift my arm up just high enough so she can pass. Now before she goes, she's ready to go already, which is good because she's active. I'm actually not gonna lift this 100% because there's a common error that happens is people go here on 5 and they can't really see where they're going. And so by the time they get here, they've already passed the count and possibly have ran into somebody. And that's my job to make sure she doesn't do that. So I'm gonna kind of stretch out the arm a little bit before she can walk forward and then turn on 7. So let's do that again. I'm gonna show you this and we go. 1, 2, hand goes up. I'm gonna pull her through. Okay? And let's do it on this side. And 1, 2, 3, it goes up, but look, it's pull her through. Now, I'm pulling her slightly, but it's not like I'm leading her through with this arm. Again, I'm still using this arm to do it. Watch one more time. 1, 2, 3. As I pull her through, all that does is resist her from turning on 5 instead of on 7. Okay? So let's do it again now, and let's talk about her footwork. So on the last step, the crossbody lead with a turn, she did a counterclockwise turn. Well, this time she's gonna do a clockwise turn. As we go 1, 2, 3, or left, right, or right, left, right. She's gonna now go left, right, and she's gonna turn here and face me. Okay? My step is exactly the same. I go 1, 2, 3, and I rock back, rock forward, and close my feet and turn. So the guy step or the lead step doesn't change. It's the follow or the lady step that does. Make sure that when you pull her through that you're not the cause of turning her too early and hurting her arm, because that also is something just to watch out for, okay? The next figure is underarm pass to the left side with a spin, and it goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Notice that when she does those spins, I do a couple things. I keep her hand right above her head. So you have to think that your partner is an angel, and you put that little hoop around their head. That's about the distance you want to keep your hand, whether or not they're being an angel. So you turn her like this. Another thing that helps her to turn is I use my right hand on her shoulder, and you'll see me do this from here. I'll go 1, 2, 3. I'll switch. Now when I break back, she steps and turns, turns, turns. And 1, 2, 3. Now let's look at her footwork. She goes back, 2, 4. She's gonna step, turn, turn, together or into the open position as we explained in our last video. And if you're not sure, go ahead and check up over here, because it's over on this side, the crossbody lead and the crossbody lead with a turn. We talk a little bit about the open position in the feet. All right, anything else? No? Okay, so let's do it one more time. And we go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Notice that also Connie is kind of keeping her hand right here. This is a great technique to help you keep your balance when you spin. Another technique is also to keep your belly in, so don't have it like this, all, you know, good looking, hanging out like that. Keep it in because that affects also your balance. All right, let's see it with music now. right, everybody, so those are your figures for today. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you learned something from it. And if you did, go ahead and smash that like button. And if you're not a subscriber yet, go ahead and subscribe down here. And that little bell button lets you know when our videos are coming directly to your email. All right, there is a participation link down below in the description. If you guys feel like participating in this channel's success, it's right down there for you to go ahead and click on. Thank you so very much in advance. Down below in the description as well, there are dance products that are going to help you dance better on the dance floor. So go ahead and check them out if you're ever interested in learning how to dance better. And last but not least, Connie here, she's going to tell you something really awesome.
Well, thanks for watching, and if you think that you will like this video in Spanish version, please let us know. Put some comments down below and we will be happy to do it.
All right, once again, I'm Will Orrock.
And I'm Tony Orrock, and we are
We Evolve Dance and Fitness. Thanks for watching.